Hello, I'm Robin from Seoul Law Group, and we're an English-speaking law firm based in Seoul, South Korea. We're back with another law video, and today we'll talk about what crimes of violence are in Korea. According to the Criminal Act, Article 261, crime of violence refers to an act of using violence against another person. Article 260, crime of violence. 1. A person who uses violence against another shall be punished by imprisonment for not more than 2 years, a fine not exceeding 5 million won, detention, or a minor fine. The Supreme Court construes using violence against another as using force against the human body, so it cannot be a crime of violence when there isn't any force used against the victim's body. In the case where the defendant yelled at the victims from outside the door and kicked the door for several times, demanding to open this door or he will kill everyone, the court decided that it could be damage of property, Article 366, or intimidation, Article 283, but cannot be crime of violence, Article 260, 83 DO 3186, delivered on February 14, 1984. It is important to know that using force against the human body doesn't always involve direct physical contact. For instance, if the perpetrator threw a stone or any object at the victim, it can still be a crime of violence, even if that object didn't actually hit the victim. The Supreme Court decided that it can still be crime of violence if the defendant approached close to the victim and waved their hands and feet, as if they were going to hit the victim, while yelling and swearing at the same time, even if there wasn't any direct physical contact. 89 DO 1406, delivered on February 13, 1990. On the other hand, sometimes the action doesn't get recognized as a crime of violence, even if there was direct physical contact. These are the list of cases in which the Supreme Court decided that it isn't a crime of violence. The victim grabbed the defendant's both arms in order to start the argument. The defendant twisted his body and shook off the victim's hands. 85 DO 1915, delivered on October 8, 1985. The victim started a fight against the defendant first by pinching their face and knuckling with a fist, so the defendant forcibly embraced the victim to stop the fight. 76 DO 3758, delivered on February 8, 1977. The victim was ready to pick a fight, so the defendant grabbed and pulled the victim's arm a couple times, asking them to not fight and let's talk. 86 DO 1796, delivered on October 14, 1986. Another important part of crime of violence is that it only includes the act of violence which does not cause injury. If the perpetrator causes injury to the victim by using violence, such as scars, bruises, broken bones or teeth, loss of consciousness, or even loss of hairs, of course not just a strand of hair, but like shaving the victim's whole head by force, that crime would not be punished as crime of violence, but as inflicting bodily injury, according to Article 257(1). Article 257, inflicting bodily injury on other or on lineal ascendant. 1. A person who inflicts a bodily injury upon another shall be punished by imprisonment for not more than 7 years, or suspension of qualifications for not more than 10 years, or by a fine not exceeding 10 million won. Well, I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or concerns about what crimes of violence are in Korea, let us know in the comment section below, and you can find more info on SeoulLawGroup.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more Korean law videos, and we hope to see you next time. Goodbye.